English that is actually used overseas. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 13. A request from a native. Could you help me? Native speakers ask more casually. What do they usually say? Help me out. Help me out. Could you wait a moment? Friends usually keep it much shorter. What do people actually say? Hang on. Hang on. Please wait a little longer. There's a more common expression. How would a native say it? Hold on. Hold on. Could you look at this? There's a classic phrase for showing something. What's the natural expression? Check this out. Check this out. Please come here. Friends say it more casually. What do people usually say? Come here. Come here. Please listen until I finish. There's a very natural expression. What do people actually say? Hear me out. Hear me out. I have a favor to ask. There's a more conversational way to say it. What do they say? Do me a favor. Do me a favor. Could you lend me your pen? Conversation makes it much simpler. How would a native say it? Let me borrow your pen. Let me borrow your pen. Please get that for me. There's a natural everyday expression. What's the natural expression? Grab that for me. Grab that for me. Could you come with me? Native speakers sound more casual. What do people usually say? Come with me. Come with me. Could you say that again? Conversation uses a shorter request. What do people actually say? Say that again. Say that again. Please speak more slowly. There's a more natural request. How would a native say it? Slow down. Slow down. Please call me. Friends usually keep it simple. What do people say? Give me a call. Give me a call. Please send me a message. There's a common everyday expression. What do people usually say? Text me. Text me. Could you tell me? Native speakers ask more naturally. What would a native say? Let me know. Let me know. Hang on. Hang on. Hold on. Hold on. Check this out. Check this out. Come here. Come here. Hear me out. Hear me out. Do me a favor. Do me a favor. Let me borrow your pen. Let me borrow your pen. Grab that for me. Grab that for me. Come with me. Come with me. Say that again. Say that again. Slow down. Slow down. Give me a call. Give me a call. Text me. Text me. Let me know. Let me know. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.